Hey guys, Aaron here. So today we're talking about probably one of the most common issues I see in the winter with sump pumps, and that's the water discharge line freezing up. So usually it freezes up in a couple different spots. It either freezes up back in here, and if that's the case, you can just take this off here, and you need to loosen this up. Then you can take your screwdriver and just knock out any ice, clean all that up. But the other spot is a lot of times you see it in the hose. Long-term solution is probably actually going to be to dig a trench here and provide some slope. Now, a quick solution would be to get yourself a piece of 4-inch pipe, no shorter than 10 foot, and then just pull your 2-inch line out of there, and then you're going to put this on. Now, we've got to get the stay on there, so what we're going to do is we're just going to drill a hole. Now, and before you put this on, you want to make sure any ice is cleared out of here. Make sure this is clear. Just slip this on over the top. Put our zip thread through the hole. Pull that on like that. Make sure you get a long enough zip tie. If not, you can zip tie a couple together. Tighten that on there like that. And there you go. And that'll allow your water to drain. So that's a quick fix for a sump pump drain line that keeps freezing up, and it should get you through the winter.